Hi everyone! So this week we were asked to discuss Simonson's equivalency theory and how it might affect how universities or K-12 programs handle the development, implementation, and management of a distance learning program. So after reading through a textbook, the equivalency theory I think is a very necessary base and foundation to develop an online course. It's important for us to know what it means and how we can apply it. So Simonson states that the more equivalent the learning experiences of distance students are to that of local students, the more equivalent the outcomes of the learning experience will be. And he uses the keyword equivalent, which is the title of his theory, which is used instead of the word identical. And this is very important because equivalent rather than identical is the piece of development for online learning or distance learning that will really define the difference and the outcomes. So we cannot make distance learning and local learning identical because of the different resources, materials, and assessment, and the type of learning experience that the student will have. And it would be unfair. So for K-12 and university learning experiences, it's important for us to provide a learning experience that includes a mix of learning styles. We also need to think about assessments for students and for the teachers. We need to think about the course development and the design, what materials will be used. They can't be the same ones as a local learning environment because in distance learning, they won't have access to all those materials. They will need to think about the support that they will need throughout the course, all the rubrics, the contact with the teacher. All of those things will need to be set in place so that the experience can be equivalent to that of a local experience. So that will be it for Simonson's equivalency theory, and I really enjoyed getting to know you all through these 7 weeks. So thank you.